Hello and welcome to another update video about RUNE. RUNE chose the deeper support area we had on the chart. I took the other one off the chart now. Quite a few coins did that now, and I think we have where it's previously seemed like a possible 1-2-1-2 setup. We now have some answers and some clarity that it's probably just a normal 1-2 setup, as long as at least the $1.25 level is holding. It's also reacted now to the golden ratio at 131. That is a key support level for Wave 2, quite relevant. One of the most frequent ones that a Wave 2 reacts to, especially in crypto. Well, and it did react to it, right? At least a little bit, at least it stopped, but we haven't really seen a bullish reaction necessarily. But you can see how relevant that support level is, the 131 level, because it just came down in a strong red candle today and it basically stopped there. So as long as we hold 125, I will expect a third wave. It's actually holding that support area quite nicely. Yes, of course, it was affected by Bitcoin's drop as well, but still it's holding it quite nicely and it still has some space before it gets to the 125 level. In fact, from here, it could still drop another, let's say 5%. And then we talk about a meaningful drop below the 125 level, which would invalidate, well, not invalidate the setup, but again, it will make it very unlikely. So ideally, we're looking here at a reversal in a third wave. If the third wave starts from here, then we're looking at the 1.618 extension at 188. At least, right? So we have, again, a phenomenal reward to risk ratio here. That's what the setups are for. Trading for reward versus risk and not necessarily trading for win rate. I think that wins the long-term game. But yeah, altcoins are being challenged today as Bitcoin is coming back quite a lot into its support. But yeah, that's really everything. I mean, I can count the subwave structure here as an ABC. Yeah, we had the problem in this current situation here, in this range in which we have been now for a while, that a lot of these coins produced flat patterns. Flat pattern is really difficult to detect, especially if it is in a wave 2, because normally in a wave 2 you don't get these flat patterns too often. Flat pattern is a so-called sideways correction. You can see that we've just been moving basically in a range here, and normally in a zigzag pattern you get a clear low. Here in a flat you get a low and then you make a very high high. Well, yeah, a high high. Basically sometimes you even take out the previous swing high. Basically you produce a new price extreme. But yeah, and then we've been coming down here in a C wave, and often the A wave and the C wave, they are quite close together in these flat patterns. So that's going to be interesting. At the moment, a bullish outcome is still preferred, but below 125, it's going to get challenged. Then we will have 120 as support, or rather sort of here the region around 118, 119, which is the 11th of March low. And apparently here also RUNE retraced quite a lot. Basically also here maxed out what it could do in this larger 1-2 setup. And below that, I mean, we've got sort of 99 cents, but $1. But if we get to that level, then yeah, we're basically ready for a new bear market low, right? All right, that's my update about RUNE. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.